Brain injuries, they don't always show up right away. So you really want to take the steps early on to make sure you're doing the proper follow-ups with your doctors, any neurologists, to get the proper diagnosis to know what's going on inside your brain. And the earlier that you do this, the better off your case is going to be at the end of the day. If this helps, subscribe so that you know what to do if you're ever in this situation. I'm Rob Hartigan. I'm a personal injury attorney here in Boston, Massachusetts, and I have experience in handling traumatic brain injury cases. If you've hit your head in a crash, what happens next in the immediate aftermath could have a major impact on your future. Step one, get medical attention right away. We're dealing with the brain, which is the most important organ in your body, and so you want to be extra cautious as far as getting treatment and getting answers. So when you go to the emergency room, you want them to do a full workup, do all the imaging that is necessary so that you know what steps to take going forward. Step two, follow your doctor's orders. Anytime that a TBI victim, they miss an appointment, they don't do the recommended follow-ups, the insurance company is going to look at that and say, you must not really be that hurt, which at the end of the day is just going to hurt your case. Step three, document everything. What I mean by that is you want to make sure that you're writing down early on and throughout the case, all the symptoms that you've been experiencing, all the difficulties that you're dealing with throughout your daily life. And this is going to be very helpful for your case later on when you think back to what those early days were like as part of your traumatic brain injury. Step four, don't talk to the insurance adjuster on your own without a lawyer. All they're trying to do is to minimize your traumatic brain injury and what you've been going through. That's not fair to you. And they're just dismissing what could potentially be lifelong, devastating consequences for you and your family. Step five, call a personal injury lawyer who has experience in handling traumatic brain injury cases. These cases are actually quite complex. They're not like a whiplash case or some other soft tissue case. You need to know that you're hiring a lawyer who's going to get the right experts and know how to build your case to get you the results that you deserve. A traumatic brain injury can really affect your life in ways that you really don't appreciate early on. So hiring a lawyer who can get on the case right away and act fast can help protect your right to full recovery. If you or someone you love has ever been in this situation, please don't go at this alone. Make sure that you reach out so that you can get the results that you and your family deserve.